Hey, Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hillel Day School in Farmington Hills, Michigan. This is my second visit to their campus. Got to speak to grades 1 and 2 again this morning, right here in the center of the school, media center, close to the library. And the topic for today was respect, the sub-theme, we are all miracles. And this is a concept I bring up in every assembly, the fact that with the lines on our hand, all of us have the letter M, trace one of mine here. That M does stand for miracle, upside down W stands for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because some people that I've spoken to over the years, adults and students alike, sometimes they've forgotten this or never been told that. And we can be the light to their heart. Right. And speaking of hearts, in this assembly, I, do an activity where we talk about, do we either cause more heart marks or heart bruises, like the ones that you can't see, only feel, or are we going to help to erase some of these marks, right? And we add to the marks by saying mean things, doing mean things, our actions, our words on a daily basis. But then we also kind of help to heal and get rid of some of those marks by helping someone else, right? By asking them to be our friend, by including them, by saying we're sorry, apologizing, trying to lift them up instead of bring them down. So we always have this choice to consciously, hopefully, choose kindness, choose peace, choose compassion, choose that unconditional love. And so through a series of other heartfelt stories and examples, some motivational videos, the inspirational music, that's what we're trying to hammer home, is that, all of this is a choice, right? To not only respect ourselves, respect others, and obviously our school, and the property, the things in our life. And if we're able to do that, all of a sudden, it kind of all intertwines with itself, right? Because if you don't have that self-respect, well, how can you give it to someone else, right? How can you make sure that you are respecting, all areas of your life? So it first and foremost starts with this. And I think that inner belief too, of how special and unique each of us are, right? We might be very different on the outside, make schools like this very beautiful when we're talking about that core concept of respect, but the fact that we're all the same inside our hearts, like the shirt that I wear here, the shape of the heart as well for this multicolor peace sign design for this particular program. We know that we can heal the same, we can hurt the same. So we think about that, we pause before we say something that we're going to regret, or maybe take a breath, take a step back, assess the situation fully. So we're not going to, do or say something that we hopefully wish we could take back, right? So it becomes a habit in our life, that daily routine, where that respect keeps growing and growing and growing. And hopefully the hearts here that were touched, during the presentation today will keep living that message. So thanks for touching my heart. Great to see all of you again. Hope to be back again in the near future. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.